Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to my wine cellar. In the last video I did, I made these cabinets down below here. So these pull out, full extension, 2 drawers deep, so these hold an awful lot of wine. But this episode is really all about making these countertops. So these are poured concrete countertops that have been stained. The intention was to sort of look like natural stone, but not really. I'm pretty pleased with how they came out. You see this beautiful edge profile on the front. This was all done using a system from concretecountertops.com. They didn't sponsor the video, I paid for everything, but they were super helpful, and I think they're great. There's a plastic edge system that creates the mold, and you'll see how that goes together. There is mesh fiber reinforcement in the middle of the thickness of the slab. So this is just made with sand mix plus an additive from concretecountertops.com. You mold it, smooth it, finish it. Once it's dried, you snap the mold edge off of the front and you see this profile here. So I believe you can see the cutout on the back. The reason for those cutouts is there are going to be cabinets up on the side. You can almost see on the edge of the frame here, these temporary ones, but these are just going to be bins on both sides. And then up above, eventually I'm going to be building open racking like this. It's going to go all the way across. I'm thinking about sort of an arch-shaped opening here. This is sort of just helping me visualize and get preliminary dimensions. But that was a lot of talking about a lot of stuff, but this video here is about how I made and stained and finished these concrete slabs. So I hope you find something useful or fun or entertaining at the very least. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, etc. All that good stuff. Thanks for watching. And to be so this tape is down on top of the seam. And then I'm going to go mix up some patching work, and then I'm going to come straight down there. And it's all closed in, so it's not going to let concrete down below. So some of these stuff down below, so I'm just going to down in. At first it's a little because it's so for the top. But you might see also there, so I'm going to switch on the cracks. How is this solid seam? I'd say let's get that incorporated and call that. Is it flowing down through the mesh better?
Yeah, a lot.
Still might be a little on the thick side.
Still a lot better. The bottom is on the thick side, yes.
Alright, let's see if I can get these foams off of here. Putty knife. Some bubbles in there, that doesn't look too bad.